ladies and gentlemen, you're most welcome once again. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can change the color of the worksheets tabs all together at once. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, I have my Excel worksheet open here, and I have the tabs down that are open. I have 6 of them. I can add the other tabs to make them like 8. So what I will do, I will select one of the tab. After selecting, then I right click, you get a list of options. The last option is select all the tabs. Select on them, all of them. After that, right click on one of the tab, go to the tab color, choose the color as red, and now you see all the color, all the tabs will change to red. If you want to change it to another color, select all the tabs, right click on one, go to tab color, you can change to green. Now you can see all the tabs have been changed to green. So this is how you can do this. Go and practice so that you get more skill and experience. Thank you. Let's see in the next video.